Welcome to our video on genius tech gadgets on Amazon that'll change your life. Today, we're diving into some of the most innovative, futuristic gadgets that aren't just cool. They're designed to make your daily routines smarter, faster, and more enjoyable. From AI-powered wearables that boost productivity, to smart home devices that simplify chores, and pocket-sized companions that entertain or assist, these gadgets are reshaping how we work, play, and live. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, busy professional, or someone who loves practical tools, these life-changing innovations are perfect examples of technology making everyday life easier and more exciting. Pickle One Soul Computer. Pickle One introduces a bold idea into the wearable tech space by presenting itself as a so-called soul computer rather than a traditional smart device. Designed as AI-powered augmented reality glasses, it focuses on capturing everyday experiences and turning them into meaningful digital memories. Using cameras, microphones, and onboard sensors, the system is meant to observe daily routines and organize moments into searchable, context-aware information. Over time, its AI software adapts to habits and preferences, aiming to offer timely suggestions, reminders, and assistance without constant user input. The lightweight design and immersive AR display position Pickle One as a constant companion rather than an occasional gadget. More than notifications or apps, the concept centers on memory, awareness, and anticipation, pushing the idea of personal AI closer to daily life. Whether practical or ambitious, Pickle One reflects a growing trend toward technology that doesn't just react, but actively understands and supports how people live. LOONA Deskmate. LOONA Deskmate introduces a new way to think about desk technology by turning AI into a visible, interactive presence on your workspace. Designed as an always-on desktop companion, it sits beside you and supports daily tasks without forcing you to jump between apps or screens. The idea behind Deskmate is awareness rather than interruption, using AI to understand when you are busy, focused, or available, and responding accordingly. It can assist with things like scheduling, message summaries, reminders, and workflow organization while staying subtle and context-aware. By combining physical desk presence with intelligent software, LOONA Deskmate aims to feel more like a digital co-worker than a traditional assistant. This concept reflects a growing trend toward calmer, more human-centered AI tools that blend naturally into work environments. Instead of demanding attention, Deskmate is built to quietly support productivity, focus, and balance throughout the workday. HIZERO H100R. HIZERO H100R brings a fresh approach to everyday cleaning by combining washing, wiping, and drying into one smooth action. Designed as a handheld multi-surface cleaner, it focuses on efficiency rather than power-hungry suction, making it quiet and easy to use around the home or office. The device uses a rotating roller system that lifts dirt, spills, and fine grime from hard surfaces while continuously rinsing itself with clean water. This process helps keep cleaning consistent and prevents spreading messes from one area to another. Its compact size and lightweight build make it suitable for quick cleanups on countertops, glass, tiles, appliances, and even car surfaces. Instead of juggling sprays, cloths, or paper towels, HIZERO H100R aims to simplify routines into a single step. The nearly dry finish means surfaces are ready to use almost immediately. Overall, it represents a shift towards smarter, more convenient cleaning tools designed for modern, fast-paced lifestyles. Olight O'pen 3. The Olight O'pen 3 blends everyday writing with smart utility, turning a simple pen into a compact multi-tool for daily life. Designed for pockets, bags, and workspaces, it combines a smooth writing pen with built-in lighting and pointing features. A small but powerful LED provides useful illumination for dark spaces, quick inspections, or late-night notes, while an integrated laser pointer adds convenience for presentations or signaling. The addition of red light mode supports low-light use without straining vision. Its rechargeable design and durable metal body make it practical for constant carry, whether at work, travel, or outdoor use. Rather than replacing tools, the O'pen 3 brings multiple functions together in a familiar form that's always within reach. This kind of multifunction design highlights a growing trend in everyday gadgets that aim to simplify tasks, reduce clutter, and add subtle convenience to modern routines. Liffo Cooking Robot. Liffo Cooking Robot represents a new direction for modern kitchens by introducing automation and intelligence into everyday cooking. Designed as an autonomous countertop system, Liffo handles the entire cooking process with minimal human involvement, from managing ingredients to preparing complete meals. Users can choose recipes, schedule cooking times, and let the system handle temperature control, stirring, and timing automatically. Built-in AI allows the robot to adapt to personal tastes and suggest meals based on preferences and habits. Remote connectivity adds flexibility, allowing meals to be monitored or adjusted through a smartphone while away from home. With multiple ingredient containers and precision induction heating, Liffo is built to support a wide range of cuisines and cooking styles. Rather than replacing creativity, it focuses on reducing effort and saving time. This type of technology highlights how kitchens are evolving into smarter, more efficient spaces designed to fit busy lifestyles while still delivering fresh, home-cooked food. EMO AIBI Pocket Pet. EMO AIBI Pocket Pet brings artificial intelligence into a playful, pocket-sized form that feels more like a companion than a gadget. Designed to be carried anywhere, this tiny robot blends expressive animations, voice interaction, and personality-driven responses to create engaging moments throughout the day. It can respond to spoken commands, recognize faces, and hold light conversations, making interactions feel personal and dynamic. Beyond talking, AIBI reacts with movement, sounds, and emotions, turning short breaks into entertaining experiences. Its small size allows it to sit on a desk, clip to surfaces, or travel in a bag, staying close wherever you go. The idea behind AIBI isn't productivity or utility, but emotional connection and fun through technology. This reflects a growing trend in consumer tech where devices aim to provide companionship, reduce boredom, and add warmth to daily routines by making AI feel friendly, interactive, and alive, rather than purely functional. Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses. Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses represent a major step forward in wearable technology by blending everyday eyewear with augmented reality. Designed to look like classic Ray-Ban frames, these glasses integrate a small display inside the lens that places useful information directly in your line of sight. Instead of checking a phone, users can see messages, navigation cues, notifications, and real-time updates while staying aware of the world around them. Built-in cameras, microphones, and open-ear speakers support hands-free communication, content capture, and audio playback. Gesture-based controls through a connected wristband add a futuristic way to interact without touch or voice. The idea behind these glasses is seamless access to digital information without distraction. They highlight how personal technology is moving towards subtle, always available interfaces that fit naturally into daily life, making smart interaction feel effortless, intuitive, and part of the environment rather than another screen demanding attention. Leion Hey2. Leion Hey2 brings augmented reality and artificial intelligence together to reshape how people communicate across languages. Designed as lightweight smart glasses, this wearable projects real-time translated subtitles directly into your field of view, allowing conversations to flow naturally without constantly checking a phone. The idea is simple but powerful. Stay present while technology works quietly in the background. With support for a wide range of languages and accents, Leion Hey2 fits into travel, international work, education, and everyday social situations. An onboard AI assistant adds another layer, offering quick information, note-taking, and contextual help through voice or touch interaction. Long battery life and a compact charging case make it practical for full days on the move. Rather than focusing on entertainment or notifications, Leion Hey2 highlights how smart wearables are evolving into tools that remove real-world barriers, making communication more natural, inclusive, and effortless in a globally connected world. ENERGIZE LAB Eiliko. ENERGIZE LAB Eiliko is a new kind of personal tech designed to add personality and emotion to everyday life. Built as a tiny AI charm bot, it clips onto bags, desks, or keychains and stays with you throughout the day. Its small animated screen reacts to touch, movement, and voice, creating playful expressions that feel surprisingly alive. Instead of focusing on productivity, Eiliko is about interaction, mood, and companionship through technology. It can chat casually, display expressive animations, and respond differently based on how you engage with it. When multiple units are nearby, they can even recognize each other and interact, adding a social layer to the experience. Custom shells allow users to personalize their device, making each one feel unique. Eiliko reflects a growing trend in tech where gadgets aim to create emotional connection, turning simple moments into small, joyful interactions rather than just performing tasks. EveryMess. EveryMess introduces a smarter way to handle daily spills, dirt, and unexpected messes without switching between multiple cleaning tools. Designed as a compact portable system, it combines wet pickup, dry vacuuming, and stain removal into one easy-to-use device that fits naturally into busy lifestyles. From kitchen accidents and muddy footprints to car interiors and pet messes, it's built to respond quickly when messes happen, not just during scheduled cleaning days. The concept behind EveryMess is speed and simplicity, turning cleanup into a fast, manageable task instead of a chore. With interchangeable attachments and a design focused on real-life use, it adapts easily to different surfaces and situations. Its self-cleaning and easy disposal approach also reflects a growing trend towards low-maintenance home tech. Overall, Shark EveryMess represents how modern cleaning gadgets are evolving to save time, reduce effort, and make everyday living a little more stress-free. Qrevo Curv 2 Pro. The Qrevo Curv 2 Pro brings a new level of convenience to home cleaning by combining powerful vacuuming and mopping in one smart device. Designed to handle carpets, hard floors, and tricky corners, it uses intelligent navigation and AI obstacle recognition to clean thoroughly while avoiding furniture, cords, and clutter. Its dual-spinning mop pads tackle stains efficiently and even lift automatically over rugs, keeping surfaces dry and spotless. The ultra-slim design allows it to glide under low furniture, while the docking station washes and dries the mop pads, reducing maintenance to almost nothing. With high suction power and precise mapping, the Curv 2 Pro ensures every area is cleaned without constant supervision. This type of automation reflects how modern home gadgets are evolving to save time, minimize effort, and deliver consistent results. Instead of spending hours on floor care, users can enjoy cleaner spaces and more free time, making it a practical, life-enhancing tech addition. PanBrain EC2. The PanBrain EC2 is a wearable device designed to take cognitive enhancement into the next level, combining cutting-edge brain-computer interface technology with real-time neurofeedback. Unlike standard wellness wearables, it actively stimulates the brain's prefrontal cortex using transcranial direct current stimulation while monitoring brainwaves to tailor sessions for focus, memory, and mental energy. Integrated auditory therapies including gamma waves and binaural beats add another layer to boost clarity, reduce fatigue, and support overall cognitive performance. Lightweight and wearable, EC2 is aimed at students, professionals, and anyone seeking sharper thinking and sustained attention in demanding environments. Its goal isn't just tracking mental states but actively enhancing them, offering a glimpse into the future of personal neurotechnology. By blending stimulation, monitoring, and personalized audio cues, PanBrain EC2 transforms brain support from a passive concept into a hands-on, daily tool. It reflects a new era of gadgets designed to help people think clearer, focus longer, and perform at their best every day. RayNeo X3 Pro. The RayNeo X3 Pro brings augmented reality and AI together in a sleek, wearable design that transforms how you interact with the world. These smart glasses overlay digital content onto real-world views using bright micro-LED displays and dual cameras, making navigation, translation, and notifications visible without ever touching a phone. Built-in AI adds real-time assistance, object recognition, and speech-to-text capabilities, while gesture and voice controls keep interaction hands-free. Designed for productivity, travel, education, and entertainment, the X3 Pro allows users to capture photos, access apps, and get instant information seamlessly in their line of sight. Lightweight and Android-based, it supports a growing ecosystem of AR applications, merging practical functionality with futuristic technology. While battery life and software refinement are evolving, the RayNeo X3 Pro demonstrates how wearable AR can move from experimental tech to everyday utility, offering a glimpse at the future of hands-free AI integration for work, learning, and leisure. Limitless Pendant. The Limitless Pendant reimagines how we capture and organize daily life by turning conversations, meetings, and thoughts into searchable AI-powered notes. Worn as a necklace or clipped onto clothing, it records audio and transforms it into transcripts, summaries, and action items, helping users recall important details effortlessly. Unlike standard voice recorders, the pendant focuses on speech and filters out background noise, ensuring accuracy and relevance. Integrated with the Limitless app across mobile, desktop, and web platforms, it allows quick access to organized memories anytime, whether for work, study, or personal life. With long battery life and flexible wearing options, it fits seamlessly into everyday routines. The concept points to a future where wearables don't just track activity, but actively enhance cognitive function and memory. By turning passive moments into structured, retrievable information, the Limitless Pendant demonstrates how AI can quietly support productivity, learning, and life management, helping people stay focused and never miss important details. OSO AI Earbuds. OSO AI Earbuds redefine what wireless earbuds can do by combining high-quality audio with advanced AI productivity tools. Beyond music, these earbuds record, transcribe, and summarize conversations in real time, turning meetings, calls, or lectures into organized, searchable notes. They support over 40 languages and integrate with popular productivity apps, making them ideal for students, professionals, or anyone managing busy schedules. The AI features capture important details automatically, helping users stay focused without manually taking notes. Designed for all-day wear, OSO earbuds include noise cancellation, dynamic drivers for clear sound, and a smart charging case for convenience. They also sync to the cloud, allowing easy access to summaries and transcripts anytime. This combination of audio performance and intelligent functionality transforms simple listening devices into wearable assistants that actively enhance productivity. OSO AI earbuds show how tech can make everyday communication smarter, more organized, and far more efficient, turning ordinary conversations into actionable insights.